Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Alhuwayrist. I'm from XII Science Senior High School number 2 Tanjungpinang. Well, in this good opportunity, I would like to show you all how to make a delicious and simple French omelette. I am using other people's video, so I'm going to explain step by step how to make a delicious and simple French omelette. To make this delicious French omelette, you have to prepare some ingredients and do some steps. So, if you want to know how to make French omelette deliciously, watch this video. Guys, before you go to the steps, you have to prepare ingredient and the material. This is ingredient and material to make a delicious and simple French omelette. First, you must prepare 2 until 4 eggs, or you can use the eggs according to the pan size. Put the egg to a medium bowl and a pinch of salt to give a taste. Then, whisk the eggs and salt until it's fully combined. Then, you must prepare 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of butter. Melt the butter into a non-stick pan with low heat. When the butter is melted, pour the egg into the pan carefully. Cook the egg still with the low heat, while constantly stirring the egg with soft and heat-resistant spatula and shaking the pan. Stir the egg with a circular motion to make sure the egg cooks well until the egg looks scrambled and creamy, or about 1 until 2 minutes. After that, turn the heat off and tilt the pan up by holding the handle and roll the omelette down over the tilt pan. You can put the egg into a plate when it's shaped perfectly. Brush the top of French omelette with butter. And last, sprinkle heave as the garnish off. Then enjoy your delicious homemade French omelette. Alright guys, it was an easy recipe, right? Don't forget to try this recipe during this pandemic. I hope this recipe helped you all to know how to make a delicious French omelette. Thank you for watching and pay attention to this video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.